Welcome everyone. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of Upkeep. In today's video, we are going to navigate the world of work orders, a critical element in any plant maintenance task. From the traditional paperwork order to the modern digital one, we'll delve into how maintenance software has revolutionized this process. So, stick around to discover how easy it is these days to find what you need with a simple search query. Now, let's dive in. What is a work order? It's a document that outlines a task that needs to be performed, unlike a work request, which is simply a document asking for maintenance tasks to be done. A work order is an authorization to perform these activities. It contains all the necessary information about the required maintenance activity, from the purpose of the job to the resources needed and the instructions and procedures involved. This information is then passed on to the accountable groups. We'll break down a work order into its three main sections: the header, body, and summary. The header is like a preface to the task, telling you where the equipment is located, the reason for the task, and what needs to be done. The body is where the feedback from the maintenance mechanic or technician goes. It includes details about the performed activity, any solutions performed, and other assessments and evaluation checks. The summary wraps up the work order, providing high-level details about the job, including the total hours to complete the task, charges and rates incurred, and other material costs or labor costs. But what are the important fields to include in a work order template? Here are 7 key fields. 1. The work order number, which uniquely identifies a work order. 2. The description of the task, providing details on the work that needs to be done. 3. The requester information, stating the name and contact details of the person who requested the work. 4. The start and completion dates, aligning the expectations of the technician, the requester, and the planners and schedulers. 5. The accountable unit, identifying the person or team responsible for completing the task. 6. The asset location information, specifying the exact location, equipment, and component that requires servicing. 7. The prerequisites to complete the task, listing any parts that need to be changed out or tools required. Work orders can be categorized into different types, such as inspection, preventive maintenance, breakdown, corrective maintenance, and condition-based monitoring. These categories help to clarify the nature of the task and make report generation and analysis easier. Now let's talk about digital work orders. Gone are the days when work orders had to be written down on paper. Now you can create work orders digitally in 3 common ways: using a spreadsheet, using free work order generators available online, or using a computerized maintenance management system, or CMMS for short. A CMMS is particularly beneficial for creating work orders. It ensures the accuracy of work order information, assesses your readiness to perform a job, provides real-time updates to the work order status, makes it easy to build reports and gather statistics, and helps to schedule and document recurring work. In conclusion, work orders are a crucial part of the maintenance system. They're vital communication tools that inform technicians of the required work and provide feedback regarding the completion status. To make the work order process seamless, CMMS systems are used to cover many of the manual aspects of work order management, acting as a comprehensive source of information that connects vital assets with the people looking after them. And that wraps up our discussion on work orders. We've covered the importance of work orders, their structure, key fields, categories, and the advantages of digital work orders with a CMMS. We hope you found this information valuable. If you did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more content like this. For additional resources and insights, visit us at upkeep.com. Thank you for watching.